Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. Woo. It's sunny out here, but it's cold. But it's a beautiful day. So I must get out in it. I have an appointment this morning, so yeah, I came back here and looked at my garden before I left, but I gotta go. But anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful day. I hope you all made it through this cold night. But as you can see, most of the vegetables are great. Yep, I had to pick her up this morning. She was down again, but she all right. You all right in there? I think she's okay. So this is my plantain trees, and Miss Plantain out here freezing her butt off. Let's see. You can see her rack she have here, but she's cold. The girl is cold. Yes, she's cold. But anyway, guys, let me get up out of here. All right, everyone. I hope your day is going good. I'm just coming back home. It's about 1 o'clock. Yeah, it's about 1 o'clock. And I'm back home. So today we celebrate the life and legacy of MLK. Yes. And I did go and check out some things today, but no, I didn't bring you all with me for that, but you're going to see a lot of celebrations going on. So I just went over for a little while and did that. But the plants look good. Everything is doing good. Yeah. Here I have 3 cabbages in this container. They're doing real good, real good. And my fig trees are doing good. That's Miss Fiona. She's doing good. This is my lime. She's doing good. And the strawberries is putting on flowers. This is Jada. Jada will be here today after class. So this is one of my Baker Creek carrots. It's growing, well, it was growing in my 100-gallon grow bag, and she's cute. So I left her there, but the Romanesco went down again. And so today I'm going to harvest this purple kohlrabi. I will be cooking her tomorrow, but I wanted to harvest her today. As a matter of fact, I did harvest 2 of my purple kohlrabis, and yeah, I will be cooking that for tomorrow's lunch. So my very special friend, he's gonna stop by. He's driving from Baton Rouge, and he loves my kohlrabi. So I'm gonna make him a meal with these 2 kohlrabis that I'm harvesting today. Yeah, but they are good. I love these things, and yeah, I can't wait to prepare it for him because he loves it. Now I have about maybe 12 more kohlrabis growing out here, maybe 12. But she is a brassica, and she could handle all of this cold weather. Bring it on. All right, so today is chopping up season. So I harvest lots of this onions, my celery, that's her right there, some celery and parsley, and I'm letting some greens thaw out. I have some here, and I'll share with you my lunch. And Jada's here too, so Jada and I are gonna eat lunch. Say hey, Jada.
Hey guys.
Yeah, so let me chop this up. Oh, I got a bag of parsley. I gotta chop it all up. All right, guys. All right, guys, so Jada and we put some leeks, that's leeks, parsley, leeks, parsley. I thought I had two. Yeah, we have 2 trays of leeks and 1, 2, 3, 4 trays of parsley. Dehydrating. Now the leeks, I'm gonna make some powder from that, and the parsley, they're just gonna be nice parsley flakes. All right, everyone. So this is my leek powder. So that's it. I had it in my Ninja, and now I'm just gonna put it in this container. But that's the leek powder. Ooh. So this is what Jada and I dehydrated today. Parsley and leek powder. Hey, really cool. So I'm happy about that. And just to think, that's just 2 trays. So I'm gonna harvest some of my leeks. Yeah. But anyway, they are ready for the next meal. Boom. So this is a chicken breast. I'm gonna do 2 of them like this, and I'm just gonna butterfly them. Now I'm gonna put them in my air fryer. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna put it in my air fryer. There we go. Now I don't want to keep them together, so I'm just gonna go all the way through. Yeah, and I'm going to, yeah, just like that. And I'm gonna do another one like that, okay? Now, all of this here on the chicken breast, those veins and this, that, and cartilage, I gotta get that off. I don't like none of that. None of that, it's all gotta go. Yeah, so take it off. I gotta get it all off because I don't like the I gotta hit it with the you know. Yeah, but anyway, let's get that off. And this, it gotta go. I don't know. Yeah. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. All right. That's the way it should be, right? So now I'm just gonna butterfly it. Get it all through there like that. I got one part thick, much thicker than the other, but that's okay, y'all, because guess what? I'm going to eat it all. Boom. Now, I have another breast, but I'm going to put it in a freezer bag and put it in the freezer. Let me get this out. Oop, I'm sorry, guys. I missed it. But this is some Chef Paul Prudhomme's, this is the poultry magic, right? So we're going to put some of that in there. I'm not going to put a lot because I got a lot of stuff in here. So I have garlic powder, onion powder. I have Tony Saturate. Let me see, can I bring this light up some? Tony Saturates in here. And I'm going to put some of this, some classic ranch in here. Not a lot, just to give it a little snap. This is some of my lemon powder that I dehydrated and made into a powder. And I'm going to be generous because I'm not putting any salt in here. That's why I put just a small amount of Chef Paul in here. And this, I don't want all the salt, right? So now we're just going to mix this all up and get all those seasonings all over. Gonna put it all over. Yeah. And then I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes before I put it into the air fryer. Now, the first part I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover it up with aluminum foil, right? And that is so it could get, I want it to be nice and tender in the inside without being this, you know, the top part being so hard. I don't like that. So this will be my first. I'm gonna put a little water and let it kind of steam. And now One thing else I'm gonna put in here. Give me 1 second. All right, so this is my chicken. So I put, just sliced some garlic on top. So this is what it looks like when doves cry. No. So now I'm just gonna, for about 30 minutes, I'm just gonna cook it covered. So I want it to get nice and absolutely tender. Tender. Yeah, yeah. And all morning, this is my buddy I've been hanging out with. Nikki. Yeah, so let me put it in the air fryer. Yeah. Yours, mine, ours. I can do this for hours. So that is this buttermilk. Let me just see it. It's buttermilk. It is so wonderful. So I put water in it and I kind of shake it up in a jar to make sure I get all the you know, the little balls out. I want it all out of there. I want it smooth. So I just drop my eggs in. Yeah. All right, guys, so I have my cornbread all mixed up. I have cheese in here and the seasoning that I chopped up, which is parsley, celery, onion, and garlic. What else? That's it. Yeah. And I did say cheese. So let me see. This is the cheese that I have in here today. 3 cheddar blend. Yeah. So now I'm about to put this baby in this pan. So let me see if it's hot. All right, that's my butter. She's nice and hot. And now I'm just going to pour. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In the oven she goes. All right, so I've taken my chicken out of the air fryer, uncovered it. Now I'm gonna put it back. It stayed there for about 35, 40 minutes. I'm gonna put it back in the oven, but I added honey on top of it. There's honey all over in there, right? So this is the broth that came from it. So I'm gonna let this cool and I'm gonna put it in my refrigerator. So when I need some broth, there it goes. But I'm gonna put this back in the air fryer now. I'm gonna leave it maybe for about 5-10 minutes just till it get nice and gooey, which it look gooey already, but we're gonna make it look gooey and then I'm gonna take it out. All right. All right, guys. Dinner is done. Let me turn this off for a minute. Yeah, but dinner is done. So I have this dipping sauce. I don't know if you ever seen this. It's sugar-free dipping sauce. It's a black-owned company, G. Hughes. Jody got me on this, right? Because y'all know her situation, but it is delicious. I love it. And there's so many different flavors, but yeah, you can buy this from any grocery store, but yeah, it's really good. I like it. Of course, these are my greens and turkey necks. This is my chicken breast, cornbread, and this is tea I made. Yeah, but anyway, let's check out this chicken. So I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful evening. I'm gonna try it without anything first. It's so tender, flavorful, wonderful. So I cooked these greens a couple days ago. And I think I have about 3 more containers in the freezer. So all I have to do is pop them in the microwave. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's nothing like eating what you have grown. Mm. No. Mm. It's the cheese for me. This cheese on this thing is so good. So wonderful. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna do it together, y'all. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-mm. Listen. It's going all through my body, Lord. It's so good. Guava family. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's so good. All right, guys. I hope you all have a wonderful evening. I pray that you all make it through this weather on the upside. I will see you all in my next video. All right, guys. Let me get back to this right here. Later, y'all.